Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem Java abstract keyword. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically by abstract keyword I mean something, it's a kind of a modifier and you cannot create an instance of it. Okay, so basically this keyword is a modifier. You can use it in classes and methods but not as a variable. Okay, not as a variable. Another point to remember is if I want to create an instance of an abstract class, I cannot do it directly. So how can I do it? A very simple method is I need to use inheritance. First I would inherit the abstract class and then I can create an instance of it. Okay, so this is the point where all the concepts revolve for the problem. So what we need to do is we are given an abstract class, we need to create an instance of it. So for doing this we need to inherit, basically extend the class, and after that we need to create the instance. So I hope the problem is clear to you. So for solving it, let's move forward. So what do we need to do first is we need to go to the practice portal. Over here in the difficulty I need to choose school. Then I need to find the problem Java abstract keyword. Okay, after this let's solve the problem. Let's read it. Okay, one moment, let me scroll a little bit up. Okay, abstract is a non-access modifier in Java applicable for classes, methods but not variables. It is used to achieve abstraction, which is one of the pillar of object-oriented programming. Okay, now let's move forward. As we know, we can't create an instance of an abstract class. Hence, create and another class that extends the abstract class, then you can create an instance of the new class. Also, M1 method is abstract too. That means you must implement the body of that method in the child class. Okay, now let's move forward. So main function is already created in the question and instance of class B is also created. Okay, so I just need to complete the task for class B. Okay, and the task is to get the product of two numbers. So what I would do, I would code it over here. Okay, so for coding what do I need to do is over here I just need to write one line, that is the task, that is product, because I am calculating the product of two numbers. And those two numbers is P star Q. Okay, and then I would add a semicolon. But to check if this is correct or not, I would click on compile and run. So let's wait. Let's see if this is correct or not. Okay, so it is done. Let's check. So basically my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. So let me submit it. Okay, so the problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the problem Java abstract keyword. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.